In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create code blocks in Google Docs quickly and easily as of 2025. This is a fantastic trick for anyone needing to embed code snippets directly into your Google Docs, making your presentations or documents look clean and professional. Let's dive right into the steps. First, we start by heading over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a new button in the upper left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various file options you can create. For our purpose, select Google Docs. This will open a brand new document. Now, in this new Google Doc, you can paste or create the code you wish to present. It's important to note that although you can simply paste your code here, having it properly highlighted and formatted is key to readability and presentation, which is what we'll set up next. To enable code block formatting, move your attention to the menu bar and click on the Extensions tab. After you've clicked on Extensions, hover your cursor over Add-ons and a secondary menu will appear. From here, click on Get Add-ons. This action will lead you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar of the Marketplace, type Code Blocks. This should bring up a list of add-ons related to coding. Look for an add-on aptly named Code Blocks and click on it. You'll need to install this add-on, so hit the install button you see on the screen. For any installations, Google will prompt you to continue. Click on continue and select the Google account you want to use, then proceed by clicking allow when prompted to give permissions. After the installation, you'll see an option to click on done. Complete this step to finalize the process. Once the add-on is installed, navigate back to your Google Doc, return to Extensions, hover over Code Blocks, and then select Start. This will open a sidebar on the right side of your screen. With your code in place, highlight the portion you wish to format as a code block. On the sidebar, you'll be able to select the coding language and theme that suits the format you need. Once selected, click Format. You'll see your code styled elegantly in the document, boosting its readability and making it clear for presentations or collaborative work. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently create and display code blocks in Google Docs. It's a simple process that enhances the clarity and professionalism of your technical documents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.